Hi everyone, this is Thrifty Mama Scraps, and I'm here to show you another way that you can use your stash in a thrifty way. This is more of a recycling project because I'm also using a magazine to make this style of embellishment. These came as clear Flair button stickers, and I purchased them on Amazon. They were just round, clear sticker buttons, okay? And one way that I made my own Flair buttons is I took a magazine, such as this one, and I tried to find different materials that had texture. The star would be perfect for this type of a project. This would be perfect, this part of the shoe, because there's texture there. Maybe a letter. And basically that's what I did. I took a circle punch, punched it out, put the sticker over top of it, and trimmed around it. Here are some different buttons that I've made. This is a liquid bubble. These are always fun if you find something with a word in it. I always try to off-center those. Here's one that says lines with a quotation mark. Manufacturer symbol, like Nike. An arrow. If you set your circle punch on a line, I think that that looks pretty neat, where it's half and half. This is sweater material, an animal print. And this is, if I can focus it a little bit better, I think that's part of a purse, a building, a plant, plaid, different textured material. There's a leather. It's just a geometric design on white. Here's another one that has a building in a line. So it kind of looks like a stripe. Piece of jewelry. I think that's some trees. I did it right on the border of a lake and some trees. A gem. Another intricate pattern on material. Some embroidery. So as you can see, I made a whole bunch of different Flair buttons that I can use on my scrapbook pages and virtually spent nothing. The magazine I already had, and once I was done looking at it, I probably would have went in the trash, or I would have recycled it some other way. However, I was able to make a whole bunch of Flair buttons. This is full of Flair buttons from one magazine. So I now have a thrifty way to use these as embellishments on my pages. So I hope you got inspired to do something like this yourself. If you have some of these clear Flair buttons in your stash, or these stickers, otherwise you can purchase them on Amazon. They come 100 in a pack and they're about $6. So not very expensive for 100 Flair buttons. So I hope I helped you today with this video, and I hope you'll be back for some more thrifty tips from Thrifty Mama Scraps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.